Ah!
Are you wrestling my cat, Kyle?
Yeah.
Kyle, listen to her. Did you hear that?
Come on. She gets out of everything. You can't wrestle this thing.
Man, no this.
Do some moves.
Ah!
Just don't hurt my baby.
Got it. Going for the rubber guard.
I'm being nosy.
Kyle, she's too small.
I got her back. No.
You know what?
She's got amazing balance. Got her in a body triangle. I'd like to see her get out of this. Ow, she's clawing. Don't pull them out.
Oh.
Up.
How do you feel about that, Kyle? Do you feel like you accomplished anything?
No.
No?
It's okay, kitty. It's okay.
Look, there's a baby. Oh.
Oh, you're okay, baby.
I win.